Towing truck Evergreen Calgary. Evergreen, which includes Evergreen Estates, is a suburban residential neighborhood in the southwest quadrant of Calgary, Alberta. It is located south of the Fish Creek Provincial Park. Calgary Towing Truck Limited stands out as a beacon of assistance, offering 24/7 towing services to rescue stranded motorists in their time of need. Equipped with a fleet of modern tow trucks and operated by a team of skilled professionals, we ensure prompt and secure transportation of vehicles. Whether it's a flat tire, engine failure, or any other roadside emergency, Calgary Towing Truck Lieutenant is just a phone call away. Dial 587-800-3568 for immediate assistance, and our dedicated team will dispatch a tow truck promptly to your location in Evergreen, Calgary. For more information on our services or to request help online, visit their website at www.calgarytowingtruck.ca. Don't let vehicle troubles ruin your day. Trust Calgary Towing Truck Limited to get you back on the road safely.